how to buy Buffalo Wild Wings gift card online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily buy gift card online on the Buffalo Wild Wings website. So let's get started. Open up any browser and head over to the Wild Wings website. Now, once you're there, go to gift cards and then you can see the buy now option right there. So you can scroll through and you can see B-Dub's gift card. There is eGift card. You can see various options and then you can tap on buy now on the gift card that you want. And then once you tap on buy now, a new page will open up and you will be prompted to enter the details. So you can choose a plastic gift card according to your choice. And then once you choose it, you can tap on next step. And then you can choose the amount of your choice. You can even add other amounts that's not given here. You can choose the quantity. And then you can even personalize the card. So if this is a gift, you can put in the nickname and from, or if this is for yourself, you can put a personal message of up to 500 characters. And then you can see the amount on the right hand side. You need to put in the shipping information, your first name, last name, and other personal details. And you can choose the type of what you want to pay from, like what delivery that you want, and just tap on add to cart. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.